a product from HP that is a classic HP product. It's so ubiquitous in the market we forget how great it is. And this is the HP, I've named it a little differently because I think I want to name it based on what it does. It's the HP PVC-Free Wallpaper. But we also have the PVC-Free Durable Smooth and Suede Wallpaper, and I don't want to confuse them. So I always call this the PVC-Free Self-Adhesive Wallpaper. What makes this different, and there's many differences between those two categories of wall coverings, but I won't go into that at this time. This is self-adhesive. It has its own pre-paste. That's a great feature. There's all kinds of videos online that show you how to use this product. For me, I don't have the skill set to do paste-up commercial wall coverings. I don't have the skill set really to do peel-away linered wall coverings. Maybe. I'd probably lose some panels along the way. What I would prefer to use is the HP self-adhesive PVC-free wallpaper because it's very forgiving. It's DIY. I can get this wet on the back, and the way I do it is I take like a bug spray or a spray gun and I spray this and I get the panel wet on the ground. Then I take a sponge and I get the wall just a little damp. I take the product, slide it into place, and then I tap it down. Some people squeegee, I prefer to tap it with a sponge. You can look online to decide what's to your preference. Once I have everything down, I take the next panel and I line it up, and I do the same thing. It gives me the forgiveness to slide everything in place and make sure it's exactly right before I have to really commit to it. It gives me a margin of error. It's easy to use, it's easy to print, it's easy to install. We have profiles for it, presets, you just download them right into the printer. In fact, with most latex printers, this preset's going to come right on the printer as you get it. Great product, highly recommended. It covers that self-adhesive category very well with the wall covering industry. We've used it widely. I mean very widely. Especially when you have walls that you can't control for the condition, when you just have no idea if the wall is dirty, if it's greasy, what's the paint on it. To get around, put this up. It goes up, it stays there. When the job is done, even if it's temporary, you just get it nice and wet and it'll peel right back off the wall, and I clean up the residual paste. It allows you to do installs over and over again in place of a removable linered vinyl, which is very dependent upon the adhesive. And if you don't know what the wall is like, it's very difficult to control for that adhesive. This stuff kind of lets you get around all that. And that's why a lot of people use it and why a lot of people like it. It's widely used. It's been very successful for HP. Strongly recommended. When you look for it, make sure you're not buying the durable PVC smooth and suede. You're going PVC free. You're looking for the self-adhesive PVC wallpaper. And it's easy to find. It's on the website. We've sold a lot of it. Great product across the board, all latex printers. A very good choice in that category.